use her magic to help him in the exams, becomes a devoted wife, and the conflict would arise when a priest or a monk or a fox hunter discovers her true nature. Whereas the bad version would be she is actually draining the life essence out of this poor scholar, and she does this to cultivate her own power, and he grows sick and pale and weak, eventually dying if he wasn't rescued. The most infamous tale of the Hulijing is the story of Daji, which is based on both fact and fiction, and it's one of the most infamous tales in Chinese history as well as mythology. The core of the story of Daji is actually found in the historical records of Sima Qian's record of Grand Historian, Shi Ji, written centuries after the events. It was set in the Shang dynasty under the final days of the last king, Shang Zhou. The historical accounts describe him as an intelligent but arrogant, decadent, and cruel ruler. Shang Zhou launched a military campaign against a tribe called Yousu. To sue for peace, the tribe offers him a tribute, which is their most beautiful princess, Daji. The king was absolutely captivated by her beauty and took her as his concubine, and she immediately became his favorite. The issue with this is that he neglected all of his royal duties, spent all of his time with her, indulging in lavish parties and entertainment, and allegedly King Zhou devised in very severe capital punishments as well as extravagant projects just to please Daji. The historical texts blame him for these acts, but supposedly it was all because of the obsession with her. Over time, especially by the Ming Dynasty, all of the historical narrative was overwritten by a fictional one, which is the version that we are most aware of today. I'll go into the mythological version of the story of Daji tomorrow. Peace.